Washing a car properly maintains its appearance, protects the paint, and prevents scratches. Begin by parking the car in a shaded area to avoid soap drying too quickly. Rinse the car with a hose to remove loose dirt. Prepare to bucket, one with car wash soap diluted according to instructions, and the other with plain water for rinsing the wash mitt. Use the 2-bucket method by washing a section with a soapy mitt, then rinsing the mitt in the clean water to remove dirt and avoid scratches. Start cleaning the wheels and tires first, as they are the dirtiest parts. Apply a wheel cleaner or car wash soap for light dirt. Scrub the rims and tires with appropriate brushes and rinse thoroughly. Dry the wheels with a separate towel to prevent transferring grime to the car body. Wash the car body from top to bottom in sections using straight-line motions with a microfiber mitt. Rinse the mitt frequently in the clean water bucket and dip back into the soapy water. Pay attention to areas like door handles, mirrors, and grills where dirt accumulates. Avoid using dish soap as it strips protective wax. Rinse the entire car gently from top to bottom, ensuring no soap remains in crevices. Check for mist spots and rewash if necessary before drying. Use microfiber towels or a chamois to dry the car completely, preventing water spots. Optional finishing steps include applying wax, quick detailer spray, or glass cleaner for added protection and shine.